Hey everybody, this is Kevin with Texas Yardman and More, and today I'm going to be pruning my nectarine tree. This tree is about 2 years old and it's already 8 to 9 feet tall, and we're here in February, Central Texas. Going to trim some of these branches up. We want to make sure that the inside of this is more opened up, and we want to get rid of these low-hanging branches here. So I'm just gonna take my clippers here and trim off some of these to promote growth. So you can see the buds are already starting to kind of pop out. I wanted to do this before they're actually fully bloomed. You can see right here is one that's really starting to come out, and you've got some more up here that are starting to bloom out. So I want to trim this up before full bloom takes place, but we're just gonna clip any of the ones that are pointing in towards the tree. We want to kind of open this up a little bit, and any of these goofy looking branches we're going to trim off, or any dead branches. And so I'm just going to go in here and just kind of shape this, any of these pointing towards the inside, and that's going to help promote growth, and it's going to make this tree really do well. We don't want any low-hanging ones either. And you got some of these like this, trim those off. These are just some simple shears I picked up at my local big box store. And you don't want branches to be super close to one another either. And I can already see it starting to open up. You can see it already starting to take shape. So let's trim this one. And you're going to want some feeder branches, so kind of keep that into perspective. You're going to be looking for feeder branches that are going to be your main branches, and then all the other ones will come off of that. And we'll trim this one here, and there's some dead ones on here too. We'll just break those off. And it's already starting to look very nicely. And this is really going to help with the growth on it. This branch here is really goofy looking, but it is moving upward, so I think I'm just going to take that one off. Here we are. This is the time to go out and prune your trees, is in the spring. The trees are going to start coming out of dormancy, so they're waking up. So I'm trying to get it before they fully wake up. Right now they're starting to bud a little bit. So this is just a quick video. You can already see the inside has opened up quite a bit. I'm going to go ahead and take that one off. I'm going to take this one off. And can't wait to see what kind of fruit crop I get this year. This is really nice looking. And that's opened up. Let's see. So I don't see any more goofy looking branches per se, but I've got my main feeders here. These are my branches that are going to turn into feeder branches. This down here as well. This I could probably take off, but I'm going to leave it for this year. And looks really nice. These will be okay for this year. This one's going to be okay. You just try to sculpt the tree, and you want to promote growth. And I've got my peach tree over there and my pear tree right here. This one really doesn't need a whole lot of pruning, but today we're focusing on the nectarine. So I'll also be checking the other ones later. And this looks pretty decent for this year. You gotta remember, as the tree grows, you can continue to shape it. You don't have to do it all at one time. You're just trying to get your feeders started and to find those main branches. So right now I think this looks pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and stop here, and then later on in the season when fruit production starts, I'll be doing some more videos on it. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day.